So team, I thought I'd just share with you, what I've done is I've just gone to IGA and I bought some celery, 2 packets. I usually juice. And what I've done is I've just rinsed the celery and I've only taken 2 celeries. So there's the celery. I've rinsed the first one. I haven't left it in there, I've just rinsed it. Exactly what I've done with this one as well. And the leaves, because I juice these leaves. And I'd like you to have a look at the water. Look at the state of that water. What do you think? What sort of herbicides, pesticides, insecticides have come off there? Unbelievable. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you a quick experiment, and this is water taken straight from my machine. I'll let it settle a little bit. There it is there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how bad the water is that you guys are drinking, not me. So there's exhibit A, and I'm going to take water from the tap. There's exhibit B. Let me just take a little bit out. So, 2 glasses, 1 and 2. 1 water is taken from my machine at that pH. This is the cleansing water. This is what I've used to clean my veggies, and that's the state of the veggies. So even though you think you're buying good organic produce, if it's cleaned with normal tap water, it will not work. The insecticides, pesticides will stay there. Now, I haven't rinsed it. There's glass 1 from that water. There's glass 2 from my tap water. And I haven't even washed it. I've just left it in there for a couple of seconds. What you see in there, guys, are the insecticides, pesticides, herbicides that you're going to be drinking and eating every day. That's what's making you sick. This glass is exactly the same punnet of tomatoes, and what's happened now is by washing it or rinsing it in normal tap water, nothing's working. So I have a solution. If you'd like to know what the solution is, contact me and I'm happy to help you on your way. So guys, this is the reason why the tomatoes were cleaned so well, and using my water, whereas the water that you've been using, it's not cleaning up, and I'll show you why. I'm taking sesame oil, and this is any household oil, and I'm placing a little bit in there and a little bit in there. Alright, I'm taking normal tap water, and you know, basic science tells you that you've learned that if I had to put normal water onto oil, what happens? Can you see that? There's a film on top. Can you see that film? Now what happens is my tomatoes that I buy from the store, from the organic guy or from wherever, it's been dipped or it's been washed in herbicides, pesticides and insecticides that contain an oil base. So your normal water from the tap cannot get rid of this purely because it's oil based. Now you take my water, taken from my machine. Watch. What happens? My water, that water, taken from this machine, emulsifies that, breaks it down, and turns it into a emulsification. So all of my veggies here that I've just washed have all been emulsified, and the oils from these pesticides, herbicides and insecticides have all been taken off. All that I'm doing is I'm using this machine at that pH to emulsify all my fruits and veggies to get that product. Stay tuned guys, there's more to follow.